Faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Join me for some painting, some encouragement from God's Word, and a little bit of chaos. Thank you.
Mommy, where you doing?
Painting.
That's over my pocket. We will paint with you, Mommy.
You want to paint with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we paint with you?
Well, not this time. Because right now you're doing a snack. How do I paint with my little helper? Lots of snacks.
But can we have this, Mommy?
Yeah, do you need help opening it?
Yeah. Can you help me? Take this. Wow, that's coming.
What's coming?
Oh, you have to save me.
I have to save you?
Yeah.
What's coming? An ant. Oh my.
It's attack me.
It's gonna attack you.
Yeah.
Does it want your snacks? Hebrews 11 is full of stories of imperfect people who stepped out in faith and were used by God. Their lives were often full of mistakes, but they had faith. Since none of us are perfect, we can encourage each other to persevere in faith even when we ourselves struggle. Thank God for His grace. He can take my messy life and make a masterpiece.
Let me take with you.
No, oh baby, stop moving it, please.
Can we paint with you?
You have to go get your paint. Where's yours?
Whoa.
Oh, don't take that, please.
The microphone.
It's a microphone.
Me, you.
You're singing me a song. Thank you. Don't take my camera, please. You have to let go.
No.
No.
Where's the pen?
Come here. Look at me. You can't take my camera. That's not nice.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You can't take it.
Yes. Yeah.
You can talk to mommy.
Make you all done.
You can't steal my camera. You want to make me all done? Are you trying to make me all done with my painting?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're done.
You gotta ask me. You want me to be all done with my painting?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Eat a cake.
After the author of Hebrews reminds us of these stories of faith from the Old Testament, he writes, "Therefore, since we have so great a cloud of witnesses surrounding us, let us lay aside every encumbrance and the sin which so easily entangles us, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of faith, who for the joy set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and has sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. For consider him who has endured such hostility by sinners against himself, so that you will not grow weary and lose heart."
Mommy?
What?
You hear that, Mommy?
I do hear that.
You hear that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a bird, huh?
Yes. Will you take it?
I'm just painting a picture.
It's a child.
Yeah.
You made me so tired. Hi, buddy.
Hi, birdie.
Hi, buddy. Up there, down.
I don't know. Where did it go?
Up there. Hi, Put it down. The high.
Let's go on a hike? Okay. Just a minute. My little munchkin's getting very restless, so this is what we have for now. When hiking with little people, sometimes you have to go slow and step on all the rocks.
It's faster.
It's faster. Okay. Stories of other people's faith can be a great motivator. These verses remind me to focus on what is truly important. Lay aside everything that distracts and discourages me and run the race set before me. Being encouraged by people's stories, but ultimately fixing my eyes on Jesus. He is the author and perfecter of my faith. It is only through Jesus that I can walk by faith. Because of his work on the cross, I have hope. He died for my sin. Every mistake I have made, every moment of selfishness or anger, he bore on the cross. In him, sin is defeated. Without his death on the cross, it would be impossible to lay aside the sin that so easily entangles. But through Jesus, it is possible. He endured the pain and shame of the cross to defeat sin and death. Jesus rose again and is seated in heaven, interceding for us. When I keep my focus on Jesus, I will not grow weary and lose heart. I have needed this reminder lately because I have been weary. I took a much-needed break from videos at the end of last year. I remind myself even Jesus took time away from the crowds, going to the mountains to pray. I'm excited to start sharing videos with you again. My Faith Friday videos are my priority, sharing time in God's creation, painting, and talking about my faith and my Christian walk. But I am interested in painting more and sharing more stories to encourage us in our daily walk, and so I may share other videos as I find time. I am a busy mom. You saw my littlest hiking buddy today, but I actually have 5 kids ranging from 2 to 15 years old. I have 2 dogs and a whole bunch of chickens, and all this can make it hard to find time for creative projects. But I believe God created us to be creative. We are made in God's image. The same God who paints the sky with sunsets and fills the fields with wildflowers made you and me. So I want to encourage us to find time to create, to get outside and be inspired by all that God has made. If you are interested in trying watercolor, I will share my video of beginner watercolor kits that I have tested here, and you can check it out. Until next time, remember to walk in love, walk in light, and walk in wisdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.